Are you ready to take control of your tech tasks and boost your productivity? ClickUp is the game-changing tool that can transform your workflow in just minutes. With its intuitive features, you will streamline collaboration and stay organized effortlessly. Unlock your potential today and experience the difference ClickUp can make. So hello everyone and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to use ClickUp.com. The first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into ClickUp.com. This is the homepage as you can see. Alright? So here we have the homepage. ClickUp is a powerful project management tool that helps teams and individuals organize tasks and manage workflows. It features task management, time tracking, goal setting, and document sharing, all in one platform. With customizable views and automation options, ClickUp enhances collaboration with both productivity. It's designed for users of all industries and team sizes, making project management seamless and efficient. So to get started, let's come back to the top here and you will find here the button of get started. It's absolutely for free. So by the way, let's just know in firstly the pricing of this platform and the key features absolutely, because here we have it's free. So here we have the option of pricing. Once you click over pricing, you'll find other page, which is this one. We have 4 packages. You can use the one you want. For example, if it depended to personal use, you have just to choose the free one. If you use here based for small teams, and you have to use this one. And if you want here my mid-sized teams, you have to choose this one, the business one. Then we have an enterprise based for many large teams, and let's choose the one you want. For example, about the limited one, we have here $7 per month, business $12 per month, enterprise you have just to contact sales to know the price and more and more. Then about the free one, you have just to click over free forever, and or you can just click for sign up and you get started. So about the key features, we have 100 megabyte storage here, unlimited tasks, limited free plan members, two-factor authentication, collaborative documents, whiteboards, everything view, real-time chat, campaign ports. Then we have sprint management, calendar view, custom file manager basic, in application video recording. Then we have here support, and also we have here the form. Then we have also here the features of each one. You can just read it to understand about each one and the thing that you want. For example, here we have a limited storage. If we want a limited storage, about this one we have other things that we don't have in the other package, and the last one also, and you can choose the one you want. For example, here right now, let's just click on over sign up and let's get started. Or you can just come back here and you click over get started. It's free, and you will find another page, which is this one. Sign up for free and start using ClickUp in seconds. I will just enter my email address and you will click over next, and you'll find other page, which is this one. We have 2 options. The first option, which is using Google, you can just link your information using Google, or you can just right now add your full name, work email, your password, then you click reply with ClickUp and you get started, and you'll find other page, which is this one. So you have just right now to answer for these questions. The first question we have is, what would you like to use ClickUp for? If it's work, personal, or school, I will select, for example, personal. How many people will you be working with? I will select just me. And we have what would you like to manage? For example, I will select finance and accounting. Then we have how did you hear about us? If it's TV, Reddit, Snapchat, YouTube, I will select, for example, Facebook and Instagram. We have here, do you use any of these to do? I'll select, for example, to do list, Confluence, like Excel and CSV, and we have other platforms here. And then we'll click over next, and you will find our page, which is this one. Which features are you interested in trying? For example, we'll select calendar, workload also, then chat and boards and campaign also. Then I will click over next, and the last questions, what would you like to, for example, select the name of your company or organization. For example, like this is a shop, and you click over finish and you'll find other page, which is the home page, as you can see, or the dashboard. All right, so after creating an account on ClickUp, the first step is to set up your workspace, and by inviting team members and customizing settings to fit your needs. Next, you have just to create projects by adding folders and lists to organize tasks effectively. Then you have just to add tasks within those lists, assigning due dates, priorities, and labels for better tracking. Utilize views like Kanban, Gantt, or Calendar to visualize your work. Finally, you have just to explore automation options and integrations with other applications to enhance collaboration and streamline your workflow. Right? So let's just go through this platform to know how you can use it. Firstly, we have here in the left various options such as home, inbox, and documents. For example, inbox, we have it here like that. It's for just if you receive or you an email or a message and notification. Then we have here the option for documents. You can here click over here if you want to create a document, or you can just go to the top right and you'll find here create documents and you'll find this page. I've just write a title, and you can use also here if you want to ask AI, add wiki, add icon, add cover, and settings as well. And we have here for an open right sidebar, as you can see, or you can just here lot it if you want. As you can see here, we have various options like if you want to just start writing blank wiki, write with AI, table, column, ClickUp, list, and page, and other things here. Alright, so let's get started. And then we have here also the dashboard. So about the dashboard, you can just click over here and the right create dashboard, or you can just here choose the dashboard that you want, and you can just start from scratch if you want, or you can use also simple dashboard, team reporting, time tracking, project management, client portal. For example, start from scratch, you can choose the features that you want. For example, task lists, workload by status, calculation, time reporting, portfolio, tasks by assignee. Then we have text, discussion, bookmarks, and we have other things. Then we have also for the dependent features, custom sprints, status, tags, signs, priorities, and other things. Then we have here also the option of clips. If you want to add clips, you click over new clip and you start recording like that. Right? Then we have here timesheets as well, and you click over configure. You can just click over add tasks to get started. Then we have other options like documents, dashboards, whiteboards, clips, goals, timesheets. And if you scroll down, we'll find also other things like team space. If you want to create team space, just choose list, document, form, whiteboard, folder from template, and import. Then we have also here the option here if you want to create space, you just click over icon on name, the description. If you want to make it private as well, and you click over continue. So by the way, a space represents teams, departments, or groups, each with its own lists, workflows, and settings. Alright. So this is how you can get started with this one. You can just select here the thing that you want at the home page and you get started. Also, we have agenda here, my work assigned to me, personal list assigned to comments, line up as well. Here I stand up, and you have just to click for right with stand up, and you can just get started with creating stand up using AI. Alright. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.